Hello everyone, it's me Lise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to fix your screen mirroring not working on iPhone to smart TV. So let's get started. So firstly you want to check if this is true or not. So scroll down and click on the button on top of your lock icon. As you can see in the screen mirroring, it's searching but it is not showing a smart TV coming up. So for this problem you want to go to settings, then you want to scroll a little bit down, then go to general, then click on airplay and handoff, and make sure that this automatically airplay is on automatically and it's not on never or ask. So after this, go back and scroll all the way down in general and click on transfer or reset your iPhone, then click on reset, then reset your network settings. This will also help to ensure that your problem of your screen mirroring not working is fixed. So if you do these steps, then I assure you that your screen mirroring will start working properly. If this video was helpful, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any more questions, then please leave it on the drop box below and we'll try to solve your problems as soon as possible. It's me, Lee, signing out. I'll see you on the next one.